Hey lovelies, very warm welcome to my channel once again. I am back with another recipe which is tandoori noodles recipe. I have made very simple noodles recipe but have given a twist with a smoky flavor. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And you must be seeing that I am in a garden and this is the rose which it's growing, and you know where I pluck my mint? It's here. This is the fresh mint. So in a pan, I'm going to take around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use refined oil or whichever oil you use in your kitchen. Here I am adding 1 onion. I made juliennes of onion because I'm going to make juliennes of every vegetable whichever I'm going to use in this noodles. So now make it little translucent, not needed golden brown. So just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. That will be enough, because we need the crunchiness of onion and every other vegetable. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped and crushed garlic and half teaspoon of ginger. These are fresh and we need to saute it around 1 or 2 minutes so the rawness of garlic goes away, and it will also give amazing aroma to this noodles. Just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes, and after this, when it will be saute, I'm going to add half green capsicum. I was having only green one. If you have colored one, you can also use that. And now I'm going to just saute it for 1 minute, not more, because we need crunchiness. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of carrot. These are also in juliennes. So I'm going to roast it around 2 to 3 minutes again. Not going to make it mushy. And I'm not closing the lid in any of the vegetable, because if I close the lid, that will become much softer. So I don't need that. And this is very important ingredient in this. This is spring onion, half cup of spring onion, and adding salt together, because the spring onion really gives amazing flavor. And it's I must say it's important. If you add this will enhance flavor of noodles. And again, I'm just tossing it well. And this ingredient is bouillon. If you know, you must know that it comes in cube and different flavors. I am adding this around 1 cube. If you don't have this, you can always add Maggi masala, which always come in a sachet. And but the taste is completely different. This have little different taste as compared to Maggi masala. But I don't have Maggi masala, that's why I'm using this one. And this also have a good amount of salt. So be careful while adding salt to the other ingredients. So yeah, just mix it well. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. If you are using thick one, use little less. And together 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. And also toss it well. This is almost done. So what I'm going to do, shifting this pan to the other gas and putting a pan with the water. Adding little bit of salt and little bit of oil so that I can boil noodles here. These seems like Maggi one, but this doesn't come with sachet. These are like wok noodles. Just boiling it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now on a smallest stove, I'm going to put this coal to make it red, so that we can use it for smoky flavor, for that tandoori flavor, you know. And this is actually really amazing. This is the best part of this noodles actually. And one of the secret ingredient in this noodle is garam masala. You can also add curry powder to give more spicy touch to these noodles. And here I am adding fresh crushed black pepper, about half teaspoon or so, not a lot. Just mix it once, and our noodles are also done. I have strained them. And now I am going to add noodles in this and just give it a good toss so that everything get mixed up well. Actually, I would have used the wok pan here. I do have that, but I don't know, some reason I haven't used that. Maybe I was lazy. So but I must say, if you have wok pan, use that because that gives a great result. It's easy to mix in wok pan, you know. So somehow I managed to do this in this pan also. But now I'm going to make a little room here and placing a steel bowl to be on a safer side and putting coal over this. And now what I'm going to do is putting butter. Actually, this is ghee. If you have a melted ghee, then it's good, but I have that frozen one, so I'm putting this and just cover it up. And that's it. This will give amazing flavor of that tandoori. See the smoke, how amazing it's looking. Just leave it for 5 minutes. This will just absorb the tandoori flavor. See, now this is done, and this is ready. Enjoy with your friends and family. Serve it hot, and also mention down in comment box you like this recipe. You can also serve tomato sauce, chili sauce, whatever you like with this. Garnishing it with mint leaf, and that's it. Enjoy. That will give. So if you have watched till here, please hit the like button. That gives lots of motivation to make more new videos. And those who are new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel. Signing off right now. See you next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. See you. Bye.